Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the block blender is fully assembled and safe. That keeps you from damaging blades or motor. Once done, sort ingredients into consistent 1-2 cm blocks so the machine feeds evenly and prevents jams. Plug the unit in and choose a low speed for the first 5-10 seconds to seat the blades. This initial start reduces shock to the motor and mixes solids toward the center for smoother blending. You now move into active control, increasing speed gradually to prevent overheating and to let tough blocks shear properly. Once the block mass is moving, use pulse bursts to break stubborn chunks and add 15-30 ml of liquid if motion stalls. That lubricates without thinning the final texture. Make sure to stop, tap the container, and scrape the sides between cycles so no trapped pieces remain. This keeps consistency even and prevents repeated long runs that stress the motor. You complete the job by finishing with a short high-speed burst for 5 to 10 seconds to achieve the desired smoothness. That polishes texture without overworking the motor. Make sure to turn the unit off and wait for the blades to stop before unlocking and pouring to avoid injury. If the blender jams, unplug immediately, remove the lid, and either reverse the blade direction or add a splash of liquid to free the mass. Do not force the blades while powered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.